Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, I am your computer and GK teachers from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, in previous video we have do the revision on some question answers related to current affairs. So please all of you go through on it all the current affairs, and it is also for you homework also for you to learn by heart and write it in your practice copy. Okay, now today we are going to do the revision on topic 38, that is Indian women in sports. Today we will do the revision on two topics, 38 and 41. So let's start from topic 38, that is Indian women in sports. So Indian women in sports, in this here we have to बिलो आर फैक्ट्स अबाउट सम फेमस स्पोर्ट वुमेंस. नीचे जो है कुछ फेमस स्पोर्ट्स वुमेंस के फैक्ट्स के बारे में दिया गया है. हमें उसे क्या करना है, सेंटेंस को रीड करना है, समझना है, और ये किस स्पोर्ट्स वुमेन के बारे में है. दैट पर्टिकुलर वी हैव टू गिव द नेम ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर स्पोर्ट वुमेन. क्लियर, हमें उन वुमेन्स के को पहचानना है कि किसके बारे में ये कहा गया है, लिखा गया है सेंटेंस में जो भी पूछा है, और हमें उनके नाम बताने हैं. सो सी हियर फर्स्ट वन इज दैट इज शी इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द गोल्डन गर्ल ऑफ इंडियन बैडमिंटन. ओके, शी इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द गोल्डन गर्ल ऑफ इंडियन बैडमिंटन. Her career begins in 2012 and she has won 6 Grand Slam titles. I repeat again. ये कौन है जिसने जिसे क्या कहा जाता है, इंडियन बैडमिंटन में गोल्डन गर्ल के नाम से जाना जाता है. उसने अपना कैरियर 2012 से बिगिन किया था और अभी तक में उसने 6 ग्रैंड स्लैम टाइटल्स को जीता है. Can you guess who is she? Yes, she is Saina Nehwal. She is Saina Nehwal. The spelling of Saina Nehwal is S-A-I-N-A. Saina, N-E-H-W-A-L. Nehwal. Okay, Saina Nehwal. Now come to the next. That is here. The first one is completed. Now come to the next. That is second one. She is an Indian cricketer. She is an Indian cricketer and formed captain of the Indian women's team in Tests and ODIs. ओके, ये क्या है, ये जो है एक इंडियन क्रिकेटर है जिसने कैप्टन वुमेंस टीम में कैप्टन का रोल परफॉर्म किया है और बहुत सारे टेस्ट और ओडीआईस में वो क्या रही हैं, क्रिकेट टीम की कैप्टन रही हैं. कैन यू गेस हु इज शी? यस, शी इज द नेम ऑफ नेम. यस, इट इज शी इज अ मिथाली राज. द नेम ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर वुमेन इज व्हाट? मिथाली राज. द स्पेलिंग ऑफ मिथाली राज इज M-I-T-H-A-L-I. मिथाली R-A-J Raj. Mithali Raj. Okay. Then come to the third. She is a 5-time boxing world champion. She is a 5-time boxing world champion. मतलब कि ये कौन सी वुमेन है जो पूरे वर्ल्ड में 5 टाइम से वो बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियन रह चुकी है. एंड द फर्स्ट लेडी बॉक्सर टू हैव वॉन द ब्रॉन्ज मेडल एट द लंदन ओलंपिक फॉर इंडिया. और इंडिया की वो पहली महिला है जिसने ब्रॉन्ज मेडल कहाँ, लंदन ओलंपिक्स में जीता था. ये पहली महिला फर्स्ट लेडी बॉक्सर है जिसने लंदन ओलंपिक्स में ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीता था, वो भी किसके लिए? इंडिया के लिए. कैन यू गेस हु इज शी? यस, द नेम ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर वुमेन इज व्हाट? MC Mary Kom. The name is what? MC Mary Kom. Spelling is in capital letter you will write MC, then Mary, Mary, Kom, Kom. MC Mary Kom. Okay. So MC Mary Kom is a first lady boxer who have won the bronze medal at the London Olympics for India. Now by this, now come to the next one, that is question. See, she is a freestyle wrestler. She is a freestyle wrestler who won India's first ever gold medal in wrestling at the Commonwealth Games in 2010. ये एक ऐसी फ्री स्टाइल रेसलर वूमेन है जिसने, जो कि इंडिया की फर्स्ट वूमेन है जिसने इंडिया के लिए रेसलिंग में कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स इन 2010 में गोल्ड मेडल जीता था. कैन यू गेस हु इज शी? आपको याद होगा इस वूमन के ऊपर फिल्म भी बनी हुई है. यू कैन रिमेंबर अ फिल्म इज ऑल्सो मेड ऑन दिस. यस, द नेम इज Geeta Pogart. The name of that particular woman is Geeta Pogart. Spelling is Geeta, Geeta, Phogat, Pogart. Okay, Geeta, Geeta, Phogat, Pogart. Geeta Pogart. Okay, won India's first ever gold medal in wrestling at the Commonwealth Games in 2010. Now come to the next. See here, it is she is an Indian professional tennis player. यह एक इंडियन प्रोफेशनल टेनिस प्लेयर है. हैज़ वॉन 6 ग्रैंड स्लैम टाइटल्स इन हर कैरियर. और अपने पूरे कैरियर में इसने 6 ग्रैंड स्लैम टाइटल्स जीता है. कैन यू गेस हु इज शी? यस, इट इज शी इज सानिया मिर्जा. सानिया मिर्जा. स्पेलिंग इज SANIA. सानिया MIRZA. मिर्जा. ओके, SANIA सानिया, MIRZA मिर्जा. सानिया मिर्जा is an Indian professional tennis player who has won 6 Grand Slam titles in her career. After that, come to the next, that is she is the first woman to cross all the 7 seas and recipient of the prestigious Arjuna Award and Padma Shri. Okay, यह पहली महिला है जिसने पूरे 7 समुंदर को पार किया था. ओके, अपने, और जिसकी वजह से इसे अर्जुन अवार्ड और पद्मश्री अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया था. सो कैन यू गेस हु इज शी? यस, शी इज बुला चौधरी. बुला चौधरी. स्पेलिंग इज BULA. बुला CHOUDHURY. चौधरी. Bula Chaudhary is the first woman to cross all the 7 seas and recipient of the prestigious Arjuna Award and Padma Shri Award. Okay, so after that, next, see here, next one is, that is topic 41. That is what? Topic 41. In 41, let's we start topic 40. Before that, we have completed topic 32. In that we have studied about the famous women. Now in topic 41, that is sports quiz. We have in this we have asked some questions. All the questions are related to the sports. It is just a quiz type question. So we will do the revision on this sport quiz. See here. Read the information carefully to write the answer. ओके, पहले जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन दी है उनको हम केयरफुली रीड करेंगे, फिर उसका करेक्ट आंसर रिप्लाई करना है. सो वी विल डू द रिवीजन ऑन दिस. हियर फर्स्ट वन इज, व्हाट इज महेंद्र सिंह Dhoni fondly called by his fan? First one is, what is Mahendra Singh Dhoni fondly called by his fans? Means महेंद्र सिंह धोनी को उनके फैंस किस नाम से बुलाते हैं? I think you all know. What is the shortcut name is Mahi. What the name? What is the name? Mahi. Spelling is M-A-H-I. Mahi. So Mahendra Singh Dhoni was fondly called by his fan, that is the Mahi. Now come to the question number 2. Major Rangaswamy Cup is associated with which sports? Major Rangaswamy Cup is associated with which sports? You know, मेजर रंगस्वामी कप जो है कौन से स्पोर्ट्स के लिए एसोसिएट किया गया है? या दैट स्पोर्ट इज व्हाट? दैट इज व्हाट? हॉकी. दैट इज द स्पोर्ट इज हॉकी. द स्पेलिंग ऑफ हॉकी इज H-O-C-K-E-Y. हॉकी. H-O-C-K-E-Y. हॉकी. Now come, hockey is a sport which is associated as a major Rangaswamy Cup. Now come to question number 3. Who is the youngest Wimbledon men singles champion ever? Who is the youngest Wimbledon men singles champion ever? So answer is Boris Becker. Answer is what? Boris Becker. Spelling is B-O-R-I-S. Boris. B-E-C-K-E-R. Becker. Boris Becker. So Boris Becker is the youngest Wimbledon man single champion ever. Okay. But after that come to the next, that is question number 4. That is what? Question number 4. See here. In question number 4, the first Indian, question number 4, the first Indian woman to appear in the final of an Olympic event. Okay, the first Indian woman to appear in the final of an Olympic event. Can you guess? Yes, it is P.T. Usha. It is P.T. Usha. P.T.U.S.H.A. Usha. P.T. Usha is the first Indian woman to appear in the final of an Olympic event. After that, come to question number 5. So this answer is clear, all of you. Now come to question number 5. Question number 5 is, who was the youngest golden medalist in the history of Olympic? Who was the youngest golden medalist in the history of Olympic? Okay, so see here. Marjorie Gestring. What is the answer? Marjorie Gestring. Okay. Spelling is M-A-R-J-O-R-I-E. Marjorie Gestring. G-E-S-T-R-I-N-G. Okay. So Marjorie Gestring was the youngest gold medalist in the history of Olympic. Now come to question number 6. That is, the first Indian to post 5 double centuries in Test cricket. The first Indian to post 5 double centuries in Test cricket. So, can you guess who is? Yes, it is. He is Rahul Dravid. Rahul Dravid was the first Indian to post 5 double centuries in Test cricket. Spelling is R-A-H-U-L. Rahul. D-R-A-V-I-D. Dravid. After that, come to question number 7. With which games is Pankaj Advani associated? With which games is Pankaj Advani associated? So answer is billiards. Answer is billiards. Spelling is BILLIARDS. Billiards. So billiards. In billiard game, Pankaj Advani is associated. So Pankaj Advani is associated in which game? In billiard games. Which country hosted the question number 8? Which country hosted the first soccer World Cup? Can you guess which country hosted the first soccer World Cup? It is Uruguay. It is Uruguay. Spelling is URCS. It is Uruguay. Spelling is URUGUAY. Uruguay is a country which hosted the first soccer World Cup. Okay, then come to question number 9. Glima is the popular game of the country. Can you know Glima is the popular game of this country? Which country is very popular for Glima games? Yes, the name of that country is Iceland. The name of that country is Iceland. Spelling is ICELAND. Iceland is the popular game. Okay, Glima is the popular game of Iceland country. Got it? Glima is the popular game of Iceland country. Now come to question number 10, that is world's richest soccer club. Which is the world's richest soccer club? So answer is Real Madrid. Real Madrid. Spelling REAL, Real, MADRID. Madrid. Real Madrid is the world's richest soccer club. And come to question number 11. With which game is the name Jackie Robinson associated? I repeat again. With which game is the name Jackie Robinson associated? Can you guess? Yes, it is baseball. It is baseball. Spelling is BASE, base, BALL, ball. Baseball is the game. Okay, in which game? It is the nickname Jackie Robinson. The Jackie Robinson associated in baseball game. It is associated in baseball game. Now come to question number 12. In question number 12, see here. The last time when Olympic Summer Games and Winter Games were held in the same year. Okay, the last time when Olympic Summer Games, see here, the last time when Olympic Summer Games is held and winter in the same year. Answer is, what is the year? In 1992. So the last time when the Olympic Games, Summer Games and Winter Games were held in 1992. In 1992, the Olympic Summer Games and Winter Games were held last time. After that, come to question number 13. In question number 13, the first Indian woman chess player to lead a men's team. The first Indian woman chess player to lead a men's team. Can you get who is the first Indian woman chess player who lead a man team, जिसने man teams को lead किया था? Answer is Koneru Hampi. Answer is Koneru Hampi. Spelling is Koneru. Koneru Humpy. Hampi. So Koneru Hampi was the first Indian women chess player to lead a men's team. After that, come to the last question, that is question number 14. In question number 14, the Pakistan hockey stars who scored a the Pakistan hockey star who scored a world record 274 goals in a 7-year career. वो कौन सा पाकिस्तान का हॉकी स्टार है जिसने अपने 7 ईयर्स के कैरियर में 274 गोल्स का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया था? यस, द आंसर इज सोहेल अब्बास. द आंसर इज सोहेल अब्बास. ओके, स्पेलिंग इज SOHAIL. Spelling is what? SOHAIL. Sohail Abbas. 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 Okay. Sohail Abbas was a Pakistan hockey star who scored a world record of 274 goals in a 7-year career. So students, by this we have done the revision on both topics. So please all of you go through on it and please learn by heart these two topics and write these two topics in your PC copy. So it is your homework. So please write it in your PC copy. Whenever the school will get reopened, submit your copies for me for the corrections. Okay, then thanks. We will meet you again in the next video. So please stay home safely and take care of yourself. Don't waste your time in playing games and all. Be concentrated with your studies. Bye, see you. Thank you for listening me. Okay.